This is Calculus 2 class. In this session, we're going to review derivatives. What are going to do this review? First, we're going to practice basic derivative rules. Second, we revisit chain rules, which is most important rules in derivatives. Third one is we practice product rule. Let's do the basic derivative rules. Here is basic function I gave to you. Let's find the derivative is. What's derivative 1? That's gonna be 0. Generally speaking, when you're looking for a derivative of constant, it's gonna be 0. Second, what is derivative x? That's gonna be 1. Derivative x squared, that's gonna be 2x. Derivative x cubed, that's the 3x squared. Derivative square root of x. Square root of x is power gonna be 1.5. 1.5 x negative 1.5 equal 1.5, 1 over square root of x. This all function use your power rule. So I'm gonna give the power rules right here. So power rule gonna be xn. Power is xn. Take derivative xn. You're gonna find the derivative xn is n xn minus 1. Now, let's move on to trigonometry function. So I'm going to give trigonometry function right here. You guys find the derivative of each trigonometry function. First, derivative sine, that's going to be cosine x. Derivative cosine x, that's going to be negative sine x. Derivative tangent x, that's going to be secant square x. Derivative secant x, secant x tangent x. Now we're going to do exponential function and log function. Here is exponential function and log function. Let's find the derivative exponential function. Derivative exponential function is exponential function. Derivative ln x is 1 over x. Last part of derivative function we are looking for is arcsine arctangent. Derivative arcsine x gonna be 1 over square root 1 minus x squared. Derivative arctangent gonna be 1 over x squared plus 1. Let's review the chain rule. What is the chain rule? So chain rule applied composite function looks like this function, f of g of x. That's the composite function. We want to find the derivative of this function. First thing you have to identify inside the function. What is the inside function here? That's going to be g of x, guys, right? So we're going to put g of x gonna be u. Then you're going to change this function of u. So that's going to be f of u. You're going to be g of x. Now, function of f in terms of u. So now you're going to take derivative of f with respect to u first. Then u times u prime. That's going to be chain rule. Now, when you find this derivative, you make sure plug in the u value. You're going to be g of x, u prime going to be g prime x. Now, so this going to be f prime g of x times g prime x. So, chain going to be, you see, you f of g of x prime, you identify inside the function, take derivative f prime first, then you times the derivative inside the function. That's gonna be chain rule. We're gonna find the derivative of each function. Let's try the first one. Y equal x squared plus 1 cube. So find, you're gonna identify inside the function. What is the inside function of this? Did you find it? Let's see the x squared plus 1. That's gonna be u. So y equal u cube. You're gonna be x squared plus 1. Chain rule said we're gonna take derivative y equal u cube first. That's gonna be y prime 3u squared times u prime. Now, when you do that one, plugging back to u prime, you're gonna be x squared plus 1, u prime 2x. Now you find the y equals 3x squared plus 1 squared times 2x. Simplify this form, 3 times 2x, that's gonna be, what's that gonna be? 3 times 2 is 6x. That's gonna be 6x, x squared plus 1 squared. Let's do the second example right here, guys. Y equal 1 over 2x minus 1 squared. You identify u first. Did you find the u function there, guys? So u gonna be 2x minus 1. That's gonna be u gonna be 2x minus 1. So y equal 1 over u square. 1 over u square gonna be u gonna be negative 2. So take derivative y prime by using the power rule, negative 2u negative 1 times u prime. Guys, don't forget the u prime. So u negative 1, 1 of u, negative 2 over u times u prime. Now, plugging back to u prime, u gonna be 2x minus 1, u prime is 2. Now, y prime gonna be negative 2x minus 1 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So now y prime is negative 4 over 2x minus 1. Let's do the product rule now, right, guys? So what is the product rule? Product rule is derivative of two functions, fx times g of x. Then product rule gonna be, guys, very carefully, it's two terms you need to apply the product rule right there, guys. F prime of x times g of x plus fx times g prime x. A lot of students make a mistake. F prime of g x times g prime x. That's not the product rule. Product rule have two terms, f prime of x, g of x, plus f of x times g prime x. I'm gonna give a more simpler form right here, guys. So I'm gonna put u equal f of x, v equal g of x. This form gonna be u times v prime. First function derivative, u prime times v, plus second function derivative, that's u times v prime. That's gonna be product rule, guys. Very careful with the product rule. So let's practice function, guys. Y equal x cube plus 1 square times e to the x square. First thing you have to think about which rule you're gonna apply first. What do you think? So we're gonna apply the product rule first, guys. Why? Because this is product of two functions. First one is x cubed plus 1 square. Second is e to the x square. This one is the first one is u. Second is v. That's right down there. Then that's gonna be u times v. So first you're gonna apply the product rule. Product rule say y prime is u prime times v plus u times v prime. So after that, each function you apply the chain rule again. Guys, look at this. This one u prime you're gonna find using the chain rule. What is u gonna be? U equal x cubed plus 1 square. So we apply the chain rule because inside the function is x cubed plus 1. So u prime gonna be 2x plus 1 degree decreasing by 1 times inside the function 3x squared. So simplify that one is 6x squared, x squared plus 1 power is 1. We're going to write down the 1. Second is v prime, we want to find it, but we're going to be ex squared. What is inside the function? That's going to be x squared. So first find the derivative, the e, that's going to be e itself, u times derivative of v, that's the 2x. So v prime gonna be e to the x squared times 2x. So simplify that form, ex e to the x squared. Now, you find each derivative by using the chain rule. So we find y prime is u prime times v plus u times v prime. So that's gonna be 6x squared x cubed plus 1 times e to the x squared. That's the v plus u gonna be x cubed plus 1 squared times 2x x squared. This example is combined chain rule and product rule. You most of the time you use product rule first to find the derivative. Session, guys. So what do you review this slide? We review the three things. The first one is very basic derivative rules, which meaning is we review finding derivative fundamental function, polynomial function, trigonometric function, log and exponential function, and inverse trigonometric function. Second is we review the chain rule. When you apply the chain rule, function is a composite function. Third one is a product rule. Product rule gonna be, we're gonna use the product of two functions to find the derivative. What is a chain rule, guys? Chain rule gonna be f g of x prime is outside the function. You take a derivative first and times derivative inside the function. Product rule gonna be applied product of two functions. First function, you take a derivative first function times the second function plus first function times derivative second function.